Namaste students. Today we are going to learn about the subject English for the students of Standard 12th and 11th of Science and General Stream of English Medium. This video lesson is also helpful to the students of 12th and 11th of all the streams of Gujarati Medium. In this video lecture session, we will deal with a function voice. This is the second part of the video. In first part, we had learnt about how to use voice and how to convert the sentences from active voice to passive voice. In this video, we shall practice about converting the sentences from active voice to passive voice.
In part 1 of the video lesson, we had seen about what is voice, which are the types of voices. We had learned that there are two types of voices. The first one is active voice and the second one is passive voice. We had also learned the rules of transferring the sentence of active voice into the passive voice. We had learned some of the rules. The rules were when we want to convert the sentence of active voice into the passive voice, we should follow some of the rules. The first rule can be the subject of active voice will become the object of passive voice and the object of active voice will become the subject of passive voice. Then we shall put the supporting verb according to the tense. Then we shall make the past participle of the verb. Then we will use the voice mentioning word, that is by. Then we shall put the object. This will be the subject of the passive voice. This is how we can make the sentence of passive voice from the active voice. In this video lesson, we shall try to solve some of the examples with the reference to tenses. First of all, we are looking at the examples of simple present tense. Look at the sentence. The first sentence is, I eat Punjabi food at my home. This is the active voice sentence pattern. Now we want to transfer this sentence into the passive voice. Now we know all the rules of how to transfer the sentence from active into the passive voice. Here, in active voice sentence, Punjabi food is the object. It will become subject into the passive voice sentence pattern. So first of all, we are putting Punjabi food. Then look at the active voice sentence. I eat Punjabi food at my home. Now decide the tense of the present sentence. The tense is simple present tense. And in simple present tense, we shall use the supportive verb am, is or are. Punjabi food is third person singular. So we shall use the verb here is. Then put the past participle of the verb. In active voice sentence, eat is a basic verb. It is V1. We shall make V3 of this verb. V3 of eat will become eaten. So we have put here eaten. Then put the passive voice mentioning word, that is by. Now the word me. Me is the subject of active voice I. But we have put I here on the place of object. So the object of I is me. So we have put here me. Then the other words, at my home. the same other words we have put in the passive construction also. Thus, the passive voice construction will become Punjabi food is eaten by me at my home. Now look at the second sentence, that is Darshan plays hockey every day. The passive voice of this sentence is hockey is played by Darshan every day. Now think how we have changed the active voice sentence into the passive voice yourself. Next is simple past tense. Look at the sentence. I ate Punjabi food at my home. Passive voice. Punjabi food was eaten by me at my home. Now look at the sentence and decide the tense first. I ate. I knew the tense of the present sentence by the verb ate. Ate is V2. That is, ate is the form of past tense. So the present sentence will become simple past tense. Now we are trying to convert this sentence into the passive voice. See, Punjabi food is the object. We shall put this object on the place of subject into the passive voice construction. So first of all, put Punjabi food. Now the present sentence is into the simple past tense. So we have the two options for supportive verbs. The first one is was and the second one is were. So here Punjabi food is third person singular, and with third person singular we always use was. So we have put here was. Now the past participle of ate, that will become eaten. Passive voice mentioning word, that is by, and other words at my home. Before other words we have put here me, that was the subject of active voice construction, but here it is the place of object, so we have made me of I, because this is the place of object and the object of I is me. Thus the sentence will become Punjabi food was eaten by me at my home. Now think about the second sentence and try to understand it yourself. The active voice construction is Darshan played hockey yesterday. The passive voice of the present sentence is hockey was played by Darshan yesterday. This way, the conversion of simple past tense happened. Now the conversion of simple future tense. Look at the sentence. We have learned all the rules and regulations of converting the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Remember, try to memorize those rules. The sentence here is I shall eat Punjabi food at my home. Now decide the tense first. I shall eat. Shall, that is supportive verb, plus eat, that is V1. The shall or will plus V1 will become simple future tense. So this sentence is from simple future tense. Now we want to transfer the present sentence into the passive voice construction. Punjabi food is object will become the subject of passive voice. Now here in active voice construction shall is written. With I and we always write shall, and with the rest we use will. Here the Punjabi food is third person singular, and with third person singular we generally use will. So Punjabi food will. Now put the passive voice mentioning word, that is be. Remember, in simple present tense as well as in simple past tense we generally do not use any passive voice mentioning words, but in simple future tense we use be as passive voice mentioning word. So put here be. Then V3 of it is eaten, then by, then me. Me is the object of I, it is the place of object, so we have converted I into me and at my home. These are the other words. So the sentence will become Punjabi food will be eaten by me at my home. Now look at the another sentence and try to understand the sentence yourself. I am just reading the sentence, both the construction active voice and passive voice. Darshan will play hockey tomorrow. It's passive voice. Hockey will be played by Darshan tomorrow. This is how the conversion of simple future tense will take place. Now the sentence of continuous present tense. Read the active voice sentence carefully. I am eating Punjabi food at my home. See, I have not changed the sentence. Why? Because if I change one sentence according to tenses, it will be helpful to you to understand, to memorize, to remember the rules, as well as to understand the sentence pattern of active and passive voice construction. I am eating Punjabi food at my home. Here, the supportive verb am is are, and from am is are, am is given, plus eat, that is basic verb, and ing has been put after it. Thus the word has become eating. So am is are plus v1 plus ing is the sentence pattern of continuous present tense. Now see the passive voice construction. Punjabi food is the object in active voice. It will become subject Punjabi food. In upper sentence, am is used because before am there is a pronoun I. So with I we use am. But here the subject is Punjabi food. That is third person singular. So we should use is. The Punjabi food is. Then put the passive voice mentioning word, that is being. Then put V3 of eat, that is eaten. Then by, then me at my home. Thus the sentence will become Punjabi food is being eaten by me at my home. See here, ing has been used with be. In upper sentence, in active voice construction, ing has been put after v1. So we should not let go ing anywhere. So we have put ing after be, and b has become being. Now look at the second sentence, that is Darshan is playing hockey every day. The passive voice construction of it is hockey is being played by Darshan every day. Try to understand this sentence yourself. Now the next one, conversion of continuous past tense. Look at the sentence. I was eating Punjabi food at my home. Here, from supportive verb was where was has been given. And after was v1 plus ing, that is eat plus ing, it will become eating. So this is the sentence of continuous past tense. Now look at the passive voice construction. The object of active voice has become the subject of passive voice, that is Punjabi food. Supportive verb, that is was, has been placed here. The same way that we have done into the continuous present tense, being has been written. For it, we have made the verb here past participle, that is eaten. Then by me at my home are the other words. So the sentence has become Punjabi food was being eaten by me at my home. Now look at the second example and try to understand yourself. Active voice construction, that is Darshan was playing hockey yesterday, and its passive voice is hockey was being played by Darshan yesterday. Conversion of perfect present tense. Look at the sentence carefully. The active voice construction is I have just eaten Punjabi food at my home. Here the supportive verb is have from have and has. Just is the word mentioning perfect tenses. I have just eaten Punjabi food at my home. Punjabi food is the object will become the subject into the passive voice. Here in the active voice construction I is used, so with I we generally use have, but here Punjabi food is third person singular and with it we should use has. So Punjabi food has just, then passive voice mentioning word been is used. It will become eaten into the V3 by me at the home. Thus the sentence will become Punjabi food has been eaten by me at my home. Look at the another example and try to understand it yourself. That is, Darshan has played hockey. The passive voice construction of this sentence will be hockey has been played by Darshan. Now the conversion of perfect past tense. Look at the sentence. I had eaten Punjabi food at my home. Here had has been used and with had you can see eaten. So had plus V3 is the sentence pattern of perfect past tense. Punjabi food is an object will become subject, that is Punjabi food. Then had, then passive voice mentioning word, that is been, then V3, then by, then object me at my home. Other words, the sentence will become Punjabi food had been eaten by me at my home. Now look at the another example and try to grasp it, try to understand it yourself. I am just reading it. Darshan had played hockey yesterday. The passive voice construction of the present sentence is hockey had been played by Darshan yesterday. The conversion of perfect future tense. See the example. I shall have eaten Punjabi food at my home. Here the supportive verb, that is shall have, has been used, and with this supportive verb V3 eaten has been used. So this is the sentence pattern of perfect future tense. Now we want to convert this sentence into the passive voice. What should we do? We should do nothing. Just do or just transfer the sentence as according to the rules which we have learnt. First of all, make the subject of passive voice out of the object of active voice, that is Punjabi food. Then here into the active voice construction the pronoun is I, and with I and we use shall, and with the rest of the pronouns we use will. So here Punjabi food is the third person and with it we should use will. So Punjabi food will have. Then passive voice mentioning word, that is been. Then V3 of it, that is eaten by me at my home. Thus the sentence has become Punjabi food will have been eaten by me at my home. Now watch the second sentence carefully. Darshan will have played hockey tomorrow, and its passive voice construction is hockey will have been played by Darshan tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you for attending the session. I have faith that you have learned lots of things as well as you have learned the active voice, passive voice construction. Thank you very much.